Hi, in this video I will show you how you can create a business email on Hostinger. If you don't have any Hostinger account, just scroll down to this video and get the Hostinger hosting with 75% off. On all the Hostinger package, you will get free email with free domain and you can create free unlimited emails. So get the offer, and after buying the Hostinger hosting, just log into your Hostinger. You will land into this Hostinger H panel where you can see all the domain and all the hosting you have brought here. Here is the list of the hosting and the domain, and here you can see the email. If you buy any hosting, you will get an email for free. So now to create the email address, you can just click here to manage, or you can just click on the left emails and you will see your mailbox. And you can, if you don't see this, that's mean you don't have any hosting package yet. So you can also create without buying the hosting package. Just click here and get a mailbox. So with domain and get a mailbox, you can create business email without buying the hosting. To create email address, click here on manage. Now click on the email accounts. From here you can create new email address. Now here just type the first name, or with the prefix you can create the email address from here, hello@mydomain.com. Then put any password here and you can create auto generated password, and now put a email address for recovery. You can skip that. Now just create here. You have successfully created the business email, hello@yourdomain.com. You can see this password, and to access this email you can just click here and paste it here. Now click login. Yes, your email has been successfully created. Now you can send mail. Just click here, a new mail. You can put the email address and send the mail, and you can track the mail also from here, and you can get all the mail on this inbox. You can access these emails from here also. Go to the emails, click on the manage. You will see all the email address associated with this domain name. To email is active now. After clicking here, access the webmail. You can access this emails inbox. If you don't want to log in here to check the email and just connect this email to your Gmail, then check the left video where I will show you how you can connect these emails on your Gmail and just receive and send mail from Gmail. Thank you for watching this video. Consider subscribe our channel to get more informational videos like this for free.